I miss you, old brother.
Let me hear what the public think. Chat to me.
Artist, what's new?
At the Robber show, and that's if you know, cause chat so we a make we talk for you.
Rabba, welcome to the Rabba show. On this platform we do things different, straight rabblings. And this is your host, Nashai Rabba Danger. Rabblings, make a go to this story. I found it conflicting. It's around the brand, Bob Marley brand Jamaica, with the ongoing violence that surround it.
As gang warfare in Trenchtown, St. Andrew heats up, a mother who admits her sons are members of one of the gangs in the community is calling for an end to the violence, which has so far claimed half a dozen lives and even more injuries. A big concern now is that tourists visiting Bob Marley's old house, the Trenchtown Culture Yard, could get caught up in the violence, and that could further tarnish Jamaica's image.
There's a saying in Jamaica say, mind your own business and leave people business alone. But rabblings, violence and crime, you not think it affect everybody, or people just simple business but what affect them?
So far, 6 men have been killed in the ongoing gang war. Many more persons have been injured and properties fired on.
When it comes to situations like these, when violence interrupting a community, you don't think the councillors or the MP should come forth? Why you think rabblings or the people of the community should find ways to resolve them own issues? Tell me now.
My son in it, my 2 sons in night, me not tell us them in there. All in there. In a manish in there, me not back them out. But I want it for done. Me not want them for dead. And me bringing my son. Him there start crying and say, even them call me name and them charge him for shooting. And me I tell him can't go to prison because the God me I serve. Because him know him not do it, but him have a gang. And if your gang go do something and them all you go pay the penalty.
Right now in Jamaica you find too many parents have to be burying them young ones. And when it a go stop rabblings, and when it really a go stop, and a pitney a bury parents again.
Them done bad already. Them is a gunman. What we are gonna do, we can change them, but we can tell them say we don't want no more violence. Make it stop.
Right now, it needs to stop because life is a blessing. And if you don't acknowledge that, that means there's something wrong with you. Simple wrong with you. Why you think, rabblings? Right now, we need more development towards the youth them. The youth them need to go to school, find a trade, find something for do. Looking at your individual self and know that there's a lot out there for achieve in the world. We can't destroy each other.
Dan Edwards is from the opposing Brooklyn side, calling for an end to the war. She says the problem is that there are too many uncontrollable teens in the community.
Until we have a combined parenting, because you have parents who can't control them kids, you know. Me and tell you the truth, you know. And it's the conflicted parenting and have a lot to do with it. So you see, I know mothers need to talk to them kids, sit them down, stop go hide the gun them for them, stop wash out the bloody clothes them, tell them say enough is enough, go look at skill. Because when you do so and fire the shot them, it's not a skill that.
There's a saying say a mother a go love her pitney no matter what. But how you think a mother shall dealt with a son that turned out to be a gunman? Tell me now, rabblings.
Miss Edwards says there are too many children not attending school and wants the agency that handles children welfare to visit the community.
We is something going on. We have so much art. We have art down the center, and people from Clarendon, Olaba, I come make use of it. You know much boy they boy, yeah? Them don't know them name. Them have the age paper. Them mother just call them a name, and them just go by that. Them don't have a birth paper. Government don't know them. The parents them need for go out, go register them pitney and register them in a school. And tell them say enough is enough. We need this for stop now. We need this for done.
Right now we're in the 20th century. I got 2020. So tell me now, rabblings, who for be blamed when things like this are happening now with society?
The women may not be the ones firing the guns, but Miss Edwards says they contribute to the violence by keeping watch for the gunmen.
Woman where have toddler and titty bram for go look something for them pitney out here a spot. Which look a careless boy can come tell me, a big 38-year-old woman for go look who run this stuff.
Now, this particular lane with zinc fences on both sides serves dual purposes. It's used for ambush, but it's also used as a getaway.
You remember early on me I tell you say there's a sense of mind your own business and no business with people business. Alright, Robbins, listen to this.
Dorrit Campbell, who says her house was broken into right next to the Trenchtown Culture Yard where Bob Marley once lived, insists visitors to the facility are not safe. But manager for the Culture Yard, Donnet Dow, has played down concerns that visitors are targets.
For the person who's saying that they're fear for visitors, no, they're pretty safe. If two persons decide to fire a gunshot, if them see the tourists come, they will stop. That is how much the men down here are the boys or whosoever respect the visitors.
But then they should respect the people who live here first, shouldn't it?
They should have, but that is beyond our control. Because what's really happening is friends became enemies. That is what's taking place.
Robbins, look on this. If me no know you, me no business. So if friend a kill friend, me no business. I saw Jamaica run. Nobody for unite nobody. Bring nobody together. Show people say yeah, them can find a way. Work as a nation. Build together. Build the brand Jamaica. No say yeah, Jamaica this and Jamaica nice. Friend a kill friend. If them see tourists, them ease. So what? Nobody no care about them each other. Nobody no care for no say is a next Jamaican that. Brotherly love, sisterly love. Make we unite, come together. Make we stand up as one. Make we show the world say we're really great. The world look upon we as a great nation. But we self not really reflect that. When you really look in the society and things are going, I don't understand. It kinda mind bubbling when you look on it, but things can better. What you think, Robbins? How you think we can start to really fix this? Tomorrow is a new day. How you think we can better the day as Jamaicans? Bob Marley, they say one love, one heart, All the things just separate, so big separation. Things need for fix. Robber, straight Robbins. You don't know the robber boss Nasha robber danger. And we always tell them on this platform we do things different. Robber, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Robbins.